Okay, what you're going to need for this video is 4 to 5 objects that you can use as cones. We use plastic water bottles. Use whatever you're allowed to use. Then you need 1 to 2 items that you can dribble like a basketball. Keep in mind that if you're not actually using a basketball, whatever you use is not going to be exactly the same as it would be if you used a basketball. Now, if you're going to use a balloon, know that you kind of have to push down on the balloon for it to come back up, and it's really hard to control. So just do your best. Braden is going to start us off with some skills. First thing we're going to do is dribble around your objects, dribbling with your right hand. Keep your other hand up like a guard hand, which is keeping space between you and the defense when you play basketball. If you can look up every once in a while, it's good to keep your eyes up when you play basketball. Switch to dribbling with your left hand. Keep your guard hand up and look up as much as you can while doing this as well. Switch to your other hand. Okay, now I'm going to show you some skills. We're going to use your left leg and dribble around it with your left hand. Yes, this is my right hand. You're going to mirror me. right hand and dribble around your right leg. Just do your best. Okay, for this skill, you're going to use 2 items if you have them. You're going to try to dribble both of them at the same time while kind of staying in one space. If you don't have 2 items, you can use 1 item, and what you're going to work on is dribbling the ball super low and then slowly bringing the height of it higher and then back down again if you only have 1 item. Try to move doing whatever skill you were just doing. Okay, we're going to talk about some of the basketball rules. Now, in basketball, players really have to pay attention to time. There are a lot of rules that revolve around how many seconds they can do something. So when the ball is taken out of bounds to be thrown in, players only have 5 seconds to get the ball in bounds. When a ball does go to a player in bounds, they then have 5 seconds to dribble, shoot, or pass with the ball. Each time a team gets possession of the ball, which means they've had the ball after the other team either maybe knocks it out of bounds or shoots and makes a shot, they have 24 seconds to try to shoot and make a shot for themselves. If a team is taking the ball out on the other side of the court that's not their hoop, they have 8 seconds to get the ball across to their side of the court. There's a 3-second rule that applies to offense in almost all age levels, but then defense at the NBA level, where you have only 3 seconds that you can be in the lane, which is at the center section in front of the basketball hoop, and if not, you get called for that. Also, when players shoot free throws, they only have so many seconds, I believe it's 10, to shoot the free throw. Sometimes that's a good idea because people will have their own little rituals of how many times they bounce the ball, how they spin the ball up to their hands before they shoot a basket. So putting that time limit on makes sure that they shoot the ball and don't go on forever. Now, referees are the individuals that get to enforce all of these different rules and all the other rules that exist in basketball. Basketball has more than one if you're at a higher level, but let's say you're playing youth sports, you may only have 1 referee or 2. At the professional level, there's usually 3 referees. Thank you for joining us in class today. Go ahead and practice these skills again on your own, or go back to the beginning of this video right now and replay and practice with us. Bye for now.